So, Ellen, when we work in projects and with tasks, we in agencies and companies, we often want to know how much they take, like how much time do they take, so we can keep track, right? I know that iPlanner Pro can also help with that. Can you please show me how that works?
Sure. So we can register time on tracks, both from iPlanner Pro and Teams that I am in here, and we can do it from Outlook. Let's try to do it here from Teams first. So I have a task here, and I have, because I enabled the time logging feature, then I have the time log option on my card here, my task card. I can simply click on the card and say I want to add some time. I can select the date and say that Monday I spend 2 hours on this task and save it. That's it. I register time on the task here. We can do the same here in our iPlanner Pro in Outlook. So let's try that. So opening the app in Outlook, and I'm going to select an existing task here, and we can just select this here from business plan. I have my time log options as well here, add time log, and again here say that yesterday I spent 3 hours working on this task. So we can do the registration both from Outlook and from Teams. Now these time registration are going to be, they're going to into a SharePoint list. And this means that from this SharePoint list, we have all the registration done by all the users of the app. So I enable the list here. I just call it time log. And we have here iPlanner time log information. So this is the SharePoint list. So all the registration done by users from iPlanner Pro will end up in this SharePoint list. So I have all the registration here, the task name, the time, the user, the plan name, etc., etc. Now this I can export to Excel, so I can work and analyze it, or if you're using Power BI, then you can build some reports that will make it easy to see. These reports can be made available for management, so you can get an overview of how much time are you using, and they can plan better in the future. So these are simply some examples that we made here. So I have here all together, we registered 211 tasks. And I can go in and select them by plan and say, I want to look specifically on the business plan. Here we spend 24 hours. We can see it by month. We have the registration themselves. I can also, here's another example where we build a table where I can see that the business plan from 26, so far we spent 8 hours on these two tasks, and 25, we spent 26 hours, and I have the information here. So in this way, you know how much time you spend on the existing task, and you can use this information for future reference when you create new projects, new plans. Then it's easier for you to plan and allocate your resources.
Great,
Yeah,
thank you.
so that's it.
Yeah, great feature.